Okay, so I also wanted to do a short intro into recipe costing as we will dive more into this in our unit. So for this problem, we need to cost out 14 ounces of flour. And it tells us that it cost us $2.50 for a 5 pound bag. So the first thing that we need to do is we know that it's $2.50 for 5 pounds. So obviously, we know that when we are actually costing it out, our unit is ounces. So there's a few different ways you could do this. My favorite way is to convert this 5 pounds into ounces. So what we would do for that is we would say, okay, there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. So if I took 5 pounds times those 16 ounces, I would get 80 ounces. Oop, there we go. So now I know that my $2.50 gives me 80 ounces of flour. So then the next thing that we would do is I want to know how much it is for just 1 ounce of flour. So if I needed just 1 ounce, what I would do to this side is I would just divide that by 80. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. So if I take my $2.50 and divide it by 80, I get, rounded up, it's about 3 cents. So now I know it for 1 ounce, it's 3 cents. So to get 14 ounces, I would multiply it by that 0.3, and that would tell me that if I used 14 ounces of flour in my recipe, it would cost me 42 cents.